I think that's what gets me excited, just learning the new things and then thinking back in time of just, oh, that's why. Now I understand it. And completing like missing pieces to puzzles that I didn't know were missing. Because back then I thought I understood it. I thought the puzzle was complete. I'm now learning more and be like, oh, those puzzles weren't complete. And I think that's just how security is overall, right? If you're still like studying for your first hands-on certification, it's probably gonna be a entry certification. This may be demoralizing, but like OSCP is a beginner cert, and it's not going to seem like that until you get it. And then most people, soon as they get it, they're like, wow, now I've understood all the things I don't know. This field is so much more bigger than I thought. It was just like a way to shift how I think about things. And doesn't mean you're not going to get a job if you don't get that cert, but it just means don't think you get, like, anyone that has it is an expert. Don't think getting it's going to make you an expert. It's just one of the milestones many people have in the journey. And once you get it, you'll probably have a better way to study and realize how to keep learning.